Hello everybody, this is Martin Mesa with Rate One Financial Incorporated, and here we are, Mortgage Mind tip and trick number 16. So we got 4 left after today. Hope you like this one. It's entitled Job Transitions. Okay, so a lot of people that are out there looking for a home and might have gotten pre-approved for their loan are concerned about leaving the current job for a better job. For example, they get offered a better job somewhere else. It's in the same line of work. They're concerned about, what if I quit my job and start a new job? What is that going to affect the home purchase loan I've gotten pre-approved for? That's a great question. So the rule is on that is, if you are going to be starting a new job after, for example, you close escrow on your home purchase loan and you have an employment contract from the new employer that already shows what your new salary is going to be, when your start date's going to be, all that, and it's a contract, as long as your new start date is not going to be more than 60 to 90 days, sometimes they go up to 90 days, after the date you sign your loan papers, which usually happens like the day or two before you close escrow and become the homeowner. That's actually allowed per Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So next time you're out there, or if you're out there looking and you get a job offer from another company and it's a pay raise, for sure, talk to your lender first before you quit your job. But as long as it's a lateral move in the same line of work and your pay is not going down in any way, your base pay, you should be able to quit your job, start a new job, and in the event that you find a house before you start that new job, it should be okay as long as you're within that 60 to 90 day window frame. Usually 60 days for a Freddie Mac loan, 90 days for a Fannie Mae loan. So you got to make sure you talk to your loan officer, make sure you know which one you're at, Fannie or Freddie, because of the time difference. So anyway, that's how that works, okay? So don't quit, or well, obviously don't quit until you talk to your loan officer, but don't be reluctant to take that new job just because you think it might affect your pre-approval, because it may be okay. All right. And by the way, this also works if it's your first job. Like, for example, you just graduated from college and you're starting your first job. You might be able to use this same rule on that situation and actually buy a house before your first day on the new job. So hope that helps. Stay tuned for our next tip and trick, our next episode. And if you like what we're doing, please follow, like, and share on social media. And thank you so much.